For better drawing the pattern beside the grid snap, you can add a guideline. Here you can, for example, add a guideline to the, for example, here. If you right click in a straight line, as you can see, we have added guideline along the point like this. Let's add a line, guideline. Or in the point, we don't have guideline. We need two point straight point for create a guideline along this. This isn't guideline. If you want to create guideline from horizontal or vertical, come here. Here you can go in here and show the ruler. We have can activate a ruler here. This unit is depend on system unit and grid distance. Okay, you can change the grid distance. You can refer to previous lesson. But if you want to add guideline in this direction, just going on the ruler and click and drag it. Going on the ruler and click and drag it. You can add the guidelines. And you can simply click and drag and change its position. And after that, you can simply create a, you can go in here and change. And as you can see, you can draw and snap. Unfortunately, it does not snap to intersection, but as you can see, you can snap on the guides. You can snap on the guides and draw your pattern. For the deleting the guideline, you can go in on them and right click and delete guideline, or you can delete all guidelines. And you can come back here and turn off the ruler. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.